Hi everybody, today we're going to be looking at the Change the Channel palette. This is from Ensley Rain, and I don't even know why I didn't press record on my microphone, but there we are. When I played it back I was like, oh, never mind, okay. So here we are, here's the palette. The packaging is pretty much exactly the same with all the doings on the back though. Tells you which ones are FDA approved at the bottom. We don't care about that over here in the UK. We're much more laissez-faire about ingredients in eyeshadows, so you know, if that matters to you, then obviously do check the back carefully. The packaging is nice. It's not something spectacular. It's not something that I put on show, but I very much like the whole nebula effect on the front coming out the TV. And here's the actual colour story. How beautiful. You've got a very cool tone colour story, beautiful shimmers. I mean, that's why we buy these palettes from Ensley Rain, right? Their shimmers are extraordinary. And their mattes are consistently great quality. Okay. So starting at the top, that yellow, Recalibrate. Not honestly sure if I might use that. But Lost Signal and Pulse, the next two. Stunning colours. I absolutely love them. They are super pretty. This whole top section is feeling very summery and very beachy and very beautiful. And then we just get into the cool tone section and that Tune In, followed by Clarity, and then Unplug. Those are so nice. That Unplug colour particularly, I love that. For an inner corner, that would be beautiful. And then this one is Cross Signals, very potent. Gosh, you don't need much of it. Then Receiver, which is just a kind of mucky mauve. Communications, what a beautiful pale blue. Love that. That is super pretty. Again, a nice inner corner colour for me. Followed by Tune Out and Escape. Isn't that lovely? That Tune Out is so beautiful. This purple here is the Escape, very potent. Reprogram, and then Clear Signal, which is a really deep kind of Air Force blue. I'm side-eyeing this yellow called Touch Grass. I don't think I'm going to use that one. And I have been using yellow occasionally lately. And then this kind of mucky brown, brownish grey really, and then a really super potent black. Okay, onto the shimmers, which is what we're all about. New Frequency is this first one. It's kind of it's almost like a taupey silver. And honestly, you don't need much. Look at what's left on my finger. It's nuts. You really just need a little bit. This next one, Static Dreams. Green and gold and really beautiful pink too. What a wonderful mixture. I mean, you could just, with these split pans, just use the top section and get the green, or use the bottom section. But personally, I just prefer to, in fact, it's just easier, isn't it, to mix it all together. This next one is Digital Detox. Beautiful colour. Again, a multi-chrome, I reckon. Reality Check. Fantastic lilac blue. And then Synthetic Reality, which is the next one to come up. Oh my God. That one's in 3 sections. It's a bit difficult to see it, but and when you mix them all together, the colour that you get, look at that. Oh, breathtaking. So nice. Next one is called Interference. Looks like that. Slightly less exciting. I've seen similar colours before, although it's predominantly kind of orange, I guess. There's gold and blue in there as well. It's very pretty. And holographic particles in some of these too. And that Reconnect that you've just seen, that's got hollows. And this one, Grounded, this last one, has more than any of the others probably. So that's the colour story. Fantastic, isn't it? Personally, I would use this as just a 2-shadow look. One of these mattes in the crease, maybe one of the lighter ones on the inner corner, and the rest just cover the lid in those fantastic shimmers. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.